Hello and welcome everyone to my unboxing video of a Sceptre 32 LCD display TV. Let's get started. Okay, hello everyone. I'm right here in the Sceptre's webpage for this TV, which is an E322BV HDR HD TV. Like I said before, it's a 32-inch LED 720p HD TV. The highest resolution being 1366 by 768. It has 3 HDMI port and a swivel base of plus or minus 25 degrees. It also has a specifications tab where you could go up and down, and it'll give you everything like the hertz, brightness, contrast, resolution, response time, etc., etc. I will post a link in the description below so you guys can check all of these out for you techie nerds out there. Okay. So this is everything that came with the TV. We have the user guide, the remote control, batteries. They gave us screws and everything for the assembly, the base, and whatever that stuff is. Well, it's going to be for the swivel so that you could turn your TV around. It also apparently came with its own screwdriver, which it even has the Sceptre logo on it. Pretty cool. Let's get this built up and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, now here is the finished product of the TV. I have a video playing in the background trying to like show off its colors. Well, I mean, of course, since I'm recording, it probably won't show as well. But this is how I have everything set up. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and share the video.